So, when you pack your luggage, going to join the ship, you need a nice suitcase. First, it's important, like this old Samsonite. It's kind of like not waterproof, but water resistant. Anyways, very useful. I'm using this already like 8 years. So, most important is to get your documents: passport, visa, if you are not US citizen, medical certificate, very important. So of course passport, you cannot fly without passport. Siemens book if you have, if they need. Medical certificate original, otherwise you don't join the ship. So you need to check. So mostly what you need. So it's my Christmas tree, small one. I might spend Christmas on board. So sport shoes, okay. Pocket knife, just in case. So you have a lot of toiletries. One bag is medicine, one is toiletries, actually two toiletries. Slippers. You need one set of socks, at least for like 10 days. Socks, underwear, undershirt, other clothes, shorts, everything at least for 10 days set you need, at least. In your luggage tag, very important is to put your flight, where you're going, so if your luggage get lost, so it's easy to be recognized. Here is my uniform, half of the suitcase, the other half other stuff. There you go, full suitcase, 50 pounds, ready to go. Always check the documents you need to have, most important, and the rest everything for 10 days, and toiletries for next 6 months at least, if you have chance. Otherwise, in some of the ports you can buy some more stuff. This is it so far.